which of the following is a subspace? There are some set given for vector space V, and we have to check which one is following the property of subspace. Normally we perform subspace test for option A. In this option A, set is W1. W1 is a subset of vector space V. This is a vector space, and we have to check that W1 is subspace or not. Actually, W1 containing all those sequences having the limit to 1. If we consider 0 sequence, and limit of this one is 0, but will not belongs to W1. That's why W1 is not a subspace. Now check option B. In option B, all those sequences of V for which cube of summation of A cube is finite. Summation of A cube is finite. It means this sequence is converging, and this is a subspace. If it is possible is a subspace, then it is a subspace of V containing all those sequences having limit 0. Because of, if we consider another type of sequence which converging to different point, then 0 will not there. So it is necessary condition for V containing at least one sequence which going to 0, and this is also if series is convergent, then by series test we know that, sorry, if series is convergent, then we know that limit of A cube is equals to 0, and this is implying that limit of A is 0. So option B is true. Now check option C. In this, a triplet which coming from R cube, and R cube is a subspace, but if we consider scalar as -1, then triplet A1, A2, A3 will not go to R3. Why? Because of, sorry, will not go to W2 as for option C, because of -A1 minus A3 is not greater than equals to 0. Option C is wrong. Now for option D, we take two elements in W1 and W2. So element U is AA, first column, and the second column is 0, and consider V from W2 0, 0. Suppose these are two elements in, these U and V belongs to W1 union W2. W1 and W2 containing either of this type or this type, but not some of these AA type. Sum of U plus V is like this, but this is not belonging to union of W1 and W2, because of W1 union W2 containing either first column having some value and second column having some value, not together, both value, not together, both columns have some values.